ke Skul Saint Peter and Paul Secondary School Mawkisyiem. Haka jingalam i sesta Rinet HM kum i principal rengkat ki sesta ki bedon lang rengkat bat i kum juru ki nong hikai jong ke Skul kila pelong ya ke Expo a General Exhibition hakan drutarik urisau hajar Plie. Haka bau Education Minister jong ke Sorka Jela rakam sangma ulalong kongsan ban Plie ya ke exhibition. Harengkat kay non lang iba balajit ko pasunram ibalong MLA jong kasyela constituency bakum juru ibalong sumbut kongsan hakan ka Sngi iba HM sang pliang advisor jong ke education department kum juru MDC jong kasora ba titas tarwar khain haka jing lang IBDO jong kasyela bolokan CNR di blok kong Jacinta M Umdor ISDPO jong kasora ba PMCM OC jong kasora ba Anthony Kongsit IDSEO kong M Lingwa SDSEO ba AR nyau DSS is kasihel Shillong kong R Tariang bat kiwe ki blasha khosong ba hakan ni Sngi ka jingtmu ba kham karpang jong ni Skul ba pelong ni exhibition kalong hi kum shi banta ban kan tiwi Khynnah Skul ban pen i ya ka sap ka phong deng ba ki jingsham phang ga jong ki ha ki banta ba pher kum ha ka jingshna da ki kiti ba kum juru ka culture jong ka jela North East but kiwe kiba la pelong khanang hagan ni Sngi.
Particulars of the day, Sri Ragam Sakma, Sri Balaji Kuparsindram, guest of honor, other distinguished guests, sisters, teachers, parents, and all my dear students. I'm glad to welcome you all on this day. Science is one of the most important subjects students study because it develops their critical thinking skills. It always reveals a new truth, a new discovery, and unknown reality. Art and craft has the power to transform, to illuminate, to educate, inspire, and motivate. Today we are extremely glad that our school organizes Science Room Art and Craft exhibition. Welcome to you. Please give a big hand of applause. Everyone, please give a big hand of applause. And Sri People's Travel our MDC.
I hereby declare that the Expo 2023 of St. Peter and Paul Secondary School is open officially.
Very important now.
Apa? Aku pakai.
It's for sale also.
Right from class 1 to class 9, sir. These are in the house. The student.
Layo ya kejing keren tiang subhana isesta Rinet HM bakum juru ilapan kamti ya ke memorandum Chow Education Minister jong kesokar jela rakam sangma.
Space is the president of the school. We the management committee board is supporting the running of the school. The school was running under parish management since it was started, and it was looking after by the village good wishes till the year 2018. Then, the brethren of this area felt the need of sisters to look after the children.
Now, a very short program prepared by our students. It is a traditional dance to showcase our traditions of Meghalaya and also the diversity of
percentage of St. Peter's and Paul's is 100%. So that shows
Bat nak kaliang usumbul kongsan ba balajit kupar sendram ila ajing keren Haka ni kejingalang ka belengkot da ka ba ong ba hakipor ki ba mensyua bat menta kele pher cibun Haka liang kejing nang kejing tip menta kelaki ubah khamtam Haka science bat teknologi bat ila ongru ba kum ka jai benriu ni dan bun kijing bat kijing ya kendu khamtam ka jing ya enti ke jongi kumta ngimdei bandu jingkremen ni sange no ya ke ka ba ngilatmu bat ngidei banya syaprang kenang banginyo ban kai ya uso jong ka jingjong
kebawa mentan mensyua hakpor jeni kima hamdan kum ki exhibition but company ke education system apo kari jeni bagi Khynnah ki help ki bare ke information ke ba ki yo menta kalau hamdul shibon mari ki por belada bagi pedu yang jenong jeman jemani dari ke jemi Haka science bagi teknologi kalau kiu shibon dan meneng dan persamaan tang itu rocket kawat nak ada juga liar katulki kebahagiaan pada Leo dan Plie bagi mereka. Kemudian hal lipat hawakan mau yang hari ini dia ni. Haka porang persang balis ko benai. Hagi isnam. Sisen arsen pelatan hi ke failure. Henry kat kisam wilayah bahagi ini benai. Kila yo banlan. Yo do rocket. Bagi robot. How benai badan hasil benai. Tiga dia ketika pergi ke peniru yang terukam jeni kum kijan negeri. Bagi mendai ban ino nesange no ladang idan kimau jemput.
hak jingalang kabalengkot nakaliang Education Minister jong kasoka jela rakam esang ma bulong kongsan hak ni Sngi ula ong ba ki Khynnah Skul na sora ki de ki Khynnah ki bashempang jing perlong yakum kini ki program ka IMC me ki Khynnah ba ka Jingshad ba ki rap ru Khynnah ban tip khambha halor kini ki AKA parchishu ula kentu ya ki Khynnah ba ki de ban trashtom khnang ban yo ban khet ya uso jong ka jingjob ula kentu ya ki noi kai ba ki de ban pelong Iaka Mekhlea ka state ka babiang baha Haka puli ka puthi.
Actually, this is what our school's environment to be created like this. I want to congratulate sisters and all the teachers who have taken initiative of this kind. It really inspired the students. It's really ignite the minds of the students. It really helped our students to learn more. All my young students. Whatever your dreams is, you can achieve it, but you be serious. So today, I want to speak with respect to Sora. Sora called Cheraponji. This is the place where on the ancient times is one of the glorious destinations across the world. Because Sora is the capital, not before, it is not the Shillong. During British time, for the Khasi Jaite region, Sora was the capital. All the machinery has landed and come to Sora first. Is known as the education hub of the country. But sometimes we fail to understand where we stand today. Where we stand today. I'm happy I want to speak again and again. We went to Shillong IT Park, where our young students, our young children are working for the American people. At the night, as a call center, they're earning about 250 young boys and girls. They're working for American people from Shillong. That center is only in Hyderabad, in Bangalore, and in Shillong. They said, sir, we get the best human resources here in Shillong because Shillong people is the English-speaking people. Therefore, we don't need to train much. They are already equipped. We get the best human resources in Meghalaya and in Shillong in particular. This was a testimony of the CEOs and the company's people. They're going to recruit another 500, 1,000 employees for the company, which is working from Shillong only. I want to tell my friends, still today, the nation, the entire country looks at Shillong and Meghalaya. That Shillong still the educational hub. Therefore, my request to each one of you, to every officials, to every teachers across the state, let us continue to make Meghalaya as one of the best state that gives the best education to our students.